This feels like a fresh new start for the company, for our product portfolio, and first and foremost for our team working very closely together with the customers on innovation.
Across the 2 days, we try to do different things.
We are bringing a lot of very interesting improvements. We have, let's say, been working full steam ahead on the user experience.
To stay on the top of the race and to be competitive. So that's about the customers, to make sure that they really are able to achieve the speed they require for their business.
I think it's always really incredible to meet with other people from other pharma companies. It's nice to exchange a little bit because we do learn from one another in the end.
We were very happy to discover there a very open community, very open to exchange and to share their expertise and their experience. So we are very happy to be part of it.
I think outside of the enormous nicely view that we have today, it's basically also meeting everybody and also getting the latest updates in terms of their products.
I had very, very good feedback from the customers. They were amazed to see what has happened in the past 2 years because we have heavily invested into the product development.
My personal highlight of this event was really that we were able to show a case study that we did with a client where we showed that we can increase the yield of a manufacturing process by 35% using our digital twin technology.
What I liked the most were the AI use cases and seeing that the companies understanding the needs of the customers in terms of automation, digitalization.
So we are here, so we're extremely happy and extremely proud because it's running very, very well.
That partnership with Corber is crucial. With things like AI, other new functionality, that's going to play a key part to get those new products to our patients.
First of all, it's great to connect, to simply connect with the customer base, the community, with the prospects, and having a dialogue.
I think this is a great opportunity to connect.